Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna walk you through how to rewatch Instagram video messages. But first, let me show you the type of Instagram video messages that can be sent. Now as you can see, I've just taken a video message. Now on the bottom left, you'll see an option which says allow replay. If you tap on it, it will change to keep in chat. And again, if you tap on it, it will change to view once. If the person sending the video message has chosen the view once, then you will not be able to rewatch the Instagram video. But if they have chosen the allow replay or keep in chat, then you can easily replay those videos. So let's say I send a message which says allow replay. Now I'll quickly open up the other account where I've sent the message. Now you can see the video message has been received on the other account. Now if you tap on play, the video message will play. You can again replay this video message because I chose the allow replay option. If the option was selected to keep in chat, then I could easily view the video message easily and I wouldn't even have to replay it. So that's the way you can rewatch Instagram video messages.